Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever since I uploaded my Mac apps video, I've been on the lookout for some fresh new Mac apps that can make your Mac even better. Without wasting any more time, the first app is called Blip, and it's perfect if you have friends on or if you need to send a file between a PC and an iPhone. Think of it as a great cross-platform alternative to AirDrop. I know AirDrop now does work with some of the newer Google Pixel phones, but it still doesn't support most Android devices. Once you install Blip on your Mac, PC, or friend's phone, sending files is super easy. Just tap Share, select Blip, choose the person or device, and you're done. A few of my favorite things about Blip are that it's completely free, it doesn't compress your files, it doesn't upload them to a random server in China, and there's also no size limit for the files that you're sending. The next app is called Portal, and it's probably one of the coolest apps in this video. It's basically a huge library of amazing 8K live wallpapers, but what really makes this app stand out is that the wallpapers also come with audio. Every scene includes matched Dolby Atmos spatial audio, so instead of just looking nice on your desktop, it actually feels pretty immersive. And a really cool feature about this app is if you have Nanoleaf or Philips Hue lights, Portal can sync the lighting with whatever scene you're using, making your setup match the environment on your screen. The only thing that sucks is that you only get 3 completely free wallpapers to choose from, but if you want the full version, it's $3 a month or a $99 lifetime subscription. The next app is called Clean My Keyboard, and if you're someone who likes eating in front of your MacBook, takes it to coffee shops, or if you're anything like me and you're completely OCD about keeping your keyboard clean, and you find yourself wiping it down every 3 nanoseconds, with a single click of your mouse, it locks down your keyboard so you can wipe it down with a microfiber cloth without accidentally typing and opening random apps or triggering keyboard shortcuts. Once you're done cleaning, just unlock your keyboard and you're right back to where you left off. And the best thing is it's completely free from the App Store and takes up virtually no space on your computer. The next app is called Monitor Control Lite, and if you're a non-Apple monitor user, this app is an absolute must-have. One of the most annoying things about external displays is that you have to reach around the back of the monitor and press a bunch of buttons just to change the brightness. Monitor Control fixes that by adding a super simple brightness slider to your Mac's menu, especially if you use a desktop Mac or run your MacBook in clamshell mode with an extra display. This is really nice. The final app is called Desk View SSD Reader, and it's a great little app if you decided to save money by buying an external SSD instead of paying Apple's eye-watering storage prices. It gives you a really easy way to view, access, and manage all of your connected SSDs and storage volumes right from your menu bar. If you're editing videos from your external drive, backing up files, it just makes everything really easy to keep track of. It is incredibly lightweight, and it takes up less than a megabyte of storage. And overall, it's just an amazing app for people who use a lot of SSDs with their Mac. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.